A monkey was caught on the premises of Haneda Airport in Tokyo. The incident followed numerous monkey sightings in various parts of the capital over several weeks, but it is not clear whether they are the same monkey. A mechanic saw a monkey going into a room inside an aircraft hangar at around 7 a.m. on September 22nd. About 10 local police officers and Ota ward staffers took about 6 hours to catch the animal. There had been reports of people seeing a monkey since August 23rd in places like Itabashi Ward in the north of central Tokyo and Shinagawa Ward in the south. The one caught at Haneda in Ota Ward ended up biting an electrical wire in the hangar, but no one was injured.